Best Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 cases under $50. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is an outstanding phone which has seamlessly dominated the entire tech industry since its launch and hasn't lost its charm yet. Fold 5 is an expensive phone. Despite being 1 year old, it still costs over $1,000 and it's mandatory to consider a case and keep it protected from accidental drops and braids because it's a remarkable choice for daily usage and firm without being heavy, easy to grasp because of a grippy back texture for perfect grip, available for only $27 instead of $13 on Amazon. iBlazon Cosmo for Galaxy Z Fold 5. The iBlazon Cosmo is another highly recommended case for all devices. It even offers you a screen protector along with an S Pen. More interestingly, it's also survived a 10-foot drop testing and is available in a visually appealing design that never fails to captivate users. Now, save $6 and snag it for $50 instead of $56 from Amazon. Subcase Unicorn Beetle for Galaxy Z Fold 5. Subcase Unicorn Beetle is another amazing choice that would offer you a built-in outer screen protector along with a kickstand and a 4-foot drop protection. However, it doesn't provide the bulk of an S Pen hinge cover, available for just $30 instead of $56, saving $26 from Amazon.